रेडी फॉर
हरे कृष्णा हरि बोल. ये इब्राहिम भाई है and I am Lilanand Das. I am speaking from Hyderabad, and we do Rath Yatras in Gachibowli. As you can see, wonderful Rath designed. It can all fit into a parking lot. The whole thing goes into a parking lot, and there is storage space behind. You know, there are the bells, there is the Gopuram, and if you can come behind, just come behind me. You know, the technology is so simple. There is the stairs to go up. As you can see, 4 people can sit here nicely. Jagannath can be kept here, and beautifully. For tying Jagannath also there is a provision, you know, so that Jagannath doesn't fall anywhere. Please come this way. And there is also this mechanism built behind, whereby if I move this, the whole Kalash will come down, right? Because if you can see here, there are a lot of trees. There are a lot of trees in the colony, and the Kalash can hit the colony, you know, the Kalash, so we can simply move this, and the whole thing comes down. And if you can come here a little, this trolley can be taken out, it will be taken out, this whole thing will come down. 5 people can sit behind, and Sir Prasadam from here. Sir Prasadam, there is enough storage space, lot of things went in this Rath, and this is built by Ibrahim Bhai. And how we met each other in 2021, I can't even remember. मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं कैसे मिला मैं इनसे. He lives in Auto Nagar, in LB Nagar area, and he has made so far more than 10 Raths like this. And this Rath, at this point, it costs around 3 lakhs. It can increase or decrease, whatever, you know. But it is a solid Rath which can be taken. You can come this side. This whole thing comes in a trolley. Just put it to an auto trolley, and it can go along, and anybody in the front of the Rath can maneuver it this side, that side. It moves in all directions in a colony. Now these Raths are made so that Rath Yatra can be done in your colony. It can be done in a gated community. This year in 2025, we in Gachibowli Satsang, under the aegis of ISKCON Hyderabad, we are performing 40 Rath Yatras. Can you believe it? 40 Rath Yatras. This Rath has already gone for 7 Rath Yatras in one day. You know, it is going in here and everywhere. You know, it can be easily taken, and it can be easily done. You know, here is Ibrahim. God has given him so much intelligence. क्या क्या सोचते हैं मालूम नहीं. The whole design, I told little design, he adds on that. We have a version of 2022, 2023, 2024 version of Raths. When I say version of Raths, no, improvisations, one after one after. As you can see, so many things. These things are his design only. He only designed this. इन्होंने design किया, मैंने नहीं बोला. You can see ISKCON nice board there, and Shankar and Chakra, and you know all the bells. You can see the bells here. You see the bells, nice bells. All these things are designed by him, and you know. So Ibrahim भाई कैसा लग रहा है रथ बना के आपको?
5 साल हो रहा था बनाने लग के. जबरदस्त दिखता है मेरे को. अच्छा दिखता है मेरे मन में तो अच्छा रहता.
You know,
2-3 महीने से पहले प्रिपरेशन रहते हम क्या करना, किधर करना, कैसा करना बोल के.
we meet 6 months in advance before the Rath Yatras. We have lot of discussions. क्या करना है, इसमें improvise क्या करना है, any problem. Now he himself is here. He has a team of 4. 4 लोग आते हैं जब रथ यात्रा होते हैं. With every Rath, one person is always there. Any welding problem, any brake problem, there is also a brake to the Rath. You know, this is like a trolley which is made. Trolley we have all this. And believe me, you can keep 56 bhog in the front. You can have 2-3 pujaris sitting, and you can nicely do the Rath Yatra without any problem. And the best part, if you have one parking lot of your car, the Rath will go inside that. You know, everything will come down. It is exactly, you know, like 7 feet by 11 feet. Like a Tata Innova. A Tata Innova goes inside, this Rath also goes inside. So all our Raths, they stay in the colonies, they stay in the gated communities. As you can see here, there is a Rath Yatra going to start here. This is in Gautami Enclave. There is a colony called Gautami Enclave in Kondapur. And today morning this Rath Yatra is happening here. And there are similar 5 other Raths which are gone in different places, and 5 other Raths which are doing many programs. You know, another thing, there is small Rath also. Here we don't have the small Rath. The small Rath is for children. You know, children can also pull the Rath, and behind that the big Rath also comes. So कहते हैं ना भगवान की इच्छा है और यहाँ पे पूर्ण हो रहा है. तो हम लोग भी नहीं सोचे इतना कुछ कर पाएंगे. हम लोग जब पहला रथ बनाया था, याद है, he made a Rath in 7 दिनों में. 7 days he made a Rath. We don't even know how he made this Rath. Now here is standing Ibrahim Bhai, you know, and he is a great devotee of Jagannath, and he wants to do more for God. Every year he comes and says, Prabhuji kuch karna hai, Prabhuji kuch karna hai. Can you see he is not even wearing chappal? Because when he talks about devotional things, I have to learn from him. मैं भी चप्पल निकाल दिया. You know, that is the enthusiasm, provision Mataji's. Please do Rath Yatras in your colony. Please do Rath Yatras in your communities. हर जगह पे करो. क्यों करते हैं हम लोग रथ यात्रा? लोगों को जोड़ने के लिए करते हैं. Everybody comes, pulls the Rath, and becomes a devotee of God. All the good qualities come inside you. So we wish you all the best, and we always are inspired by A.C. Bhaktivinoda Swami Srila Prabhupada, without whose mercy the Rath Yatras will never happen. And we are doing it all around Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, there are many other Rath Yatras that are happening. Other side of LB Nagar, Murli Gopinath Prabhu, and many others from ISKCON temple. They are also doing Rath Yatras, and they are doing in a very vibrant way. So we are very happy that it's expanding. Our goal 108 Rath Yatras by 2029 in Gachibowli area itself. What to speak of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and many other places. So Ibrahim भाई, आप रथ बनाते रहो, हम खींचते रहेंगे. हरि बोल, जय जगन्नाथ, जय बलदेव, जय सुभद्रा. हरे कृष्ण, कृष्ण कृष्ण, हरे हरे, हरे राम, राम राम, हरे हरे.